Opening a Moomoo account in Canada is a straightforward process that can be completed online. To get started, you will need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being at least 18 years old, having a valid Canadian address, and a valid government-issued ID. First, go to the Moomoo website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. Next, you will need to provide some personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to upload a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. After submitting your application, you will need to verify your identity through a process called Know Your Customer, or KYC. This is a standard process that is required by regulatory bodies to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. Once your identity has been verified, you can fund your account using a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, wire transfer, or online payment services. The minimum deposit amount is typically around $1,000. After funding your account, you can start trading a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, options, and ETFs. Moomoo also offers a variety of trading tools and features, including real-time market data, technical analysis, and paper trading. To get the most out of your Moomoo account, it's a good idea to take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform and its features. You can do this by watching tutorials, reading the user guide, and practicing with a paper trading account. It's also important to keep in mind some best practices for trading, such as setting a budget, diversifying your portfolio, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. By following these tips and using the Moomoo platform responsibly, you can make the most of your trading experience and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, opening a Moomoo account in Canada is a relatively simple process that can be completed online. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with trading and take advantage of the many features and tools that Moomoo has to offer.